Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy KPLC shares. Kenya Power and Lighting Company, or KPLC, is a key player in the nation's energy sector. As a publicly listed entity on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, buying its shares means you own a piece of this vital company. It's an opportunity to invest in a foundational part of Kenya's infrastructure. Let's dive into the steps. Before you can purchase any shares, you'll need a Central Depository System, or CDS, account. This account securely holds your shares electronically. You can open a CDS account through any licensed stockbroker here in Kenya. Remember to have your valid national identification card or passport ready, as these are essential documents for the account opening process. If you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, if you love reading, the new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere with an immersive experience. Check the description below for the link to the Kindle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Choosing the right stockbroker is a crucial step. Always research and select a broker licensed and regulated by the Capital Markets Authority to ensure your investments are safe. Compare their brokerage fees, the range of services they offer, and the quality of their customer support. Pick a broker that best fits your personal investment goals and financial budget. Once your CDS account is set up and funded, you're ready to place an order. Simply instruct your chosen stockbroker to buy KPLC shares. You can specify the number of shares and your desired price. Your broker will then execute this order on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, aiming to get you the best available price. It's a straightforward process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.